Summer Luxury is here, so if you want to see what's in the summer Curateur box, then stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Bandit is hiding under the bed because there was a loud scary noise. I think it was thunder. And Chloe is just, hanging out, doing Chloe things. She's not interested in this box, so she won't be here for this. But if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. We hope you decide to stay. If you want to subscribe, it's free. It doesn't cost anything, just maybe sometimes a little bit of your time. And if you are already a part of our YouTube family, thank you so much for continuing your support of us. We so appreciate it. We wouldn't be here without you. And let's get into this box. Now this may be my last one. I went in to look as to when it was supposed to renew, and I think it was supposed to renew for the fall in August, so it didn't cancel. I thought I had 2 years of it, but maybe 2 years have already gone by. I don't know, because after I renewed the last time, they offered an additional renewal at that price because the box price was going up, but it may have been two full cycles of 4 boxes since then. I don't really recall, but they have gone up to $125 a box, so that was just a little too rich for my blood. Now there are some great things in here, and you're gonna get your money back, but it's not things that I really need. Like, it's things I enjoy trying, and I feel very luxurious trying them, and I feel like this is how the upper crust must live. But in reality, $125 a season is just a little too much for my ability, so I had to back out. So I think this is my last box. You do get to choose several of the items in here. Here is the card. It does have all of your information on the back. And there's your CT. So right on top, we have a little bag by Lisa Rucci. And this is the jewelry. You had a choice between these flower stud earrings and these little pearl-like hoops. The Stardust pearl hoop earrings retail for $125, and the mother of pearl wallflower button earrings retail for $145. Let me show you which ones I chose. So I did choose these. Let's try them on. The studs, I don't know, I just wasn't really drawn to them, and I will wear studs, but I just wasn't drawn to them. They were too big for me to wear to work, I thought, from looking at them, and I didn't really picture myself wearing them much, whereas a hoop is kind of classic. So here are these. Let's put the other one on. So I did feel like I would get more use out of these, and so I did go with that. And pearls are kind of classic. Next is this little bag from Symbiosis London. This is a heavier dust cover than I've gotten on fancy purses. We have 2 products. We have their HA&E hyaluronic acid and tocopherol Daily Shield mattifying moisturizer, and their BV and B3 bee venom and niacinamide delight radium restoring facial serum. This is the Shield and Glow set. The retail value, are you sitting down? $276. 276. This is 50 milliliters or 1.69 ounces. This is 30 milliliters or 1.01 ounces. $276. This is why I like getting this box, because I get to try stuff that I feel like only rich people get to try. But again, $125, I'm out. Next, we have this box. It says Rachel Miriam on it, and it has the words Dream Big on the front. This is like one of those Starbucks type cups. It is plastic. It is not steel insulated, but it is, it does have that double lining, so it shouldn't leave like water or anything on your water rings. super fancy. Like, I feel like super fancy with that. Here is the straw. Now look, this straw has to be appreciated. Look at that. Even the straw is super fancy. $48. $48 for a Starbucks lip balm. Next, we have also by Rachel Merriam is the Positano towel. This is either in sea or sunset, so it was blue or like an orangey one, and I chose the blue. I like them both, but I thought I'll go with the blue because it'll match my bathroom if I want to put it up. This is a it's lightweight, so you can also use it as a wrap. Here's how wide it is. Like, it is super wide, and I'm sure it is super long. And as you can see, it's got different kind of patterns throughout it. All right, so if you would like a Rachel Merriam Positano towel, you can get it at the fantastic deal of $128 for a beach towel. And the last thing in here is by the Rachel Zoe collection. It's Rachel Zoe by Curateur. This is the Amalfi Weekender. So this is like a whole Italian getaway. This retails for $168. It's got a nice bottom. All right, so it's got a nice heavy-duty bottom. We've got a pocket right here. Although I don't know what I would really put in that because it doesn't seem like it doesn't have a zipper. It's not going to secure anything. I guess like if you were going out somewhere, maybe some sunglasses. We do have a strap, so we can use it as a crossbody or at least have it hanging a little bit longer. The inside also feels like it has like some water resistance to it. Got your little name tag in there. Don't see any, oh, there is a big interior pocket. It doesn't zip, but there is a big interior pocket right here. I mean, it's a good looking bag. I'm not paying $168 for it, but so you're getting your value in this bag for certain. But when I had to ask myself, are these things that I could live without? And the answer was yes, I could live without them. I would rather take that $128 and put it towards something else than, and I love this box. If they said, hey, Tracy, do you want to get this box for free? We will send it to you and you can just show people. I would say yes. Yes, I would love that. I love this box, but it's just not things that I need. And so that $128 can go towards things like college. It's kind of why I had to cut back on a lot of boxes. So love it. If you want one luxury box, you know, I get a lot of boxes. So if I didn't get a lot of boxes, I might keep it, but I do get so many different boxes that this one just was one that had to go based upon the price increase. And I think with my old price, I was paying something like $85, $89 a box, which was still high, but it was, you know, it's worth it. I mean, you're definitely getting your worth. I definitely love the things. Like every time I get a bag in that box, that becomes my new bag for a while. And then, you know, I change them out seasonally, but there are bags that I've gotten that I still use all the time and get compliments on. So they wear well, you know, they're definitely high quality items. And the skincare in here is fantastic. Like it's some of the best skincare brands out there as far as when you're looking at high quality products. But I get so much skincare. The jewelry is great. I mean, I would never pay that kind of money for something like this. I can remember back in like the 90s or the 80s, like we would get something like this for like $25. But you know, prices go up, I guess, and I don't know. I mean, they're beautiful though. I love them. I'm gonna wear them. I'm gonna wear the heck out of them. But I did have to make some decisions, and so this was one box that had to go. But I do love it. And again, if you were looking for something where you could get a variety of things and high quality and name brand and really love it, I would definitely recommend this box. Okay, well, thank you so much for spending a little time with me. Please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and hopefully I'll see you soon.